Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from Asus Zenfone 11 Ultra. So in the first tab, open the Play Store, tap on the search bar and look for the fax app. Install EasyFax and open. Click on the plus and choose source of your document. Tap on the allow. And now select it again, then click on the import. Now you can add this shape to your document or the picture. If you're ready, click on the arrow icon. Now you can choose the filter for a photo. Click on the accept icon. Type the number in this place and choose the country from the list. To send the message, just click on this button and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.